Hello friends, welcome you to my channel Life Captured. So in this episode I will do some routine work on my Chinese banyan or ficus green island style bonsai. I will share a lot of growing tips on it. It is a very much suitable for bonsai. This plant is easy to care and is well known for filtering the air pollutants. Don't place it in direct sunlight because direct sunlight may harm the plant leaves. If we talk about watering the plant, water when the soil starts to become slightly dry at the top and keep the soil moist at every time. But do not overwater the plant, it may cause leaf drop. The best temperature range for this plant is 16 to 24 degrees centigrade. If we talk about fertilizing the plant, apply a weak dose of fertilizer once or twice a month during the growing season. As you can see, new buds appears on the top of all branches. Have a look. As you can see, this tree produces tiny fruit on it. Some new shoots, those are growing nearby the trunk line, should be pruned off. As you can see, this tree will produce lots of aerial roots on it. Aerial root enhance the overall structure of the tree. Insufficient light or incorrect watering condition trigger leaf drop. By the time, trim the plant to maintain shape. If we talk about soil mix, the right soil mix for ficus bonsai is the one that has high water holding capacity, good drainage and good aeration. Water holding capacity is the soil's ability to retain moisture so that plants have rapidly available water for use in food making. Now I will remove the new shoots so I can get new two branches from it. You can use sharp tool or scissor to remove the new shoots. Good drainage is somehow the opposite of water holding capacity. It is the ability of soil to drain out as much as excess water to prevent the waterlogging. Good aeration on the other hand means that there is enough air in the soil so that ficus bonsai can get through its root. You can pinch the new buds with your finger. Also, pinching is a form of pruning that encourages branches on the plant. Once you have pinched your plant to remove the top growth, the remaining buds will be stimulated to begin growing. If we talk about the shape of the bonsai, you can control the shape and growth pattern of the certain branches by wrapping a thin wire around them. Wiring is the best done during winter when leaves of the bonsai tree has fallen. Be sure that keep an eye on the branches growth and remove the wire when necessary. In future I will make a separate video on the wiring of bonsai. Now have a look at my ficus green island. As you can see, I use waste plastic container as a bonsai pot. It is a plastic container and make enough holes in it for good aeration. I hope you like my video. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Life Captured. Thank you.